This is an instruction for installing the SentryTools software. We're beginning here from having downloaded it from the website. We're going to launch SentryTools. We're going to instruct the software to allow us, Windows to allow us to install the software. And it's installing what we need for the USB driver. That'll happen automatically. So this is installing the USB drivers that will be required to connect the device to the computer. Now it's asking us where to set up the software, and by default it'll put on the C drive in a folder called SentryTools, and that's okay. We'll agree to the license and install. And our software is installing. That may take several seconds to several minutes. Now our software is installed. If we look on the C drive, we now have a Sentry folder, and we have information here, including the Sentry Excel template. Now we'll open Excel. And we have a new template here called Sentry that allows us to control the system. If that does not install, you can go to Options, Add-ins, Excel add-ins. If the Sentry is not loaded, you can go to Browse and navigate to SentryTools Excel add-in template and load that. OK, and restart Excel, and the software tab will be loaded. So that's how to install the software and ensure that the add-on is working properly. If this Run button is not present, then you'll need technical support.